सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel DG Vidya. Today we'll learn how to create a flex designing using CorelDRAW software. So this is basically a CorelDRAW. This is made by Corel Corporation, a Canada-based company, and we use this software, this CorelDRAW, for basically flex designing and packaging designing, brochure designing. I mean to say maximum work in done with CorelDRAW is basically printing purpose. So today we'll learn how to create a flex banner designing using CorelDRAW. So here is the CorelDRAW interface. I want to create a new file and name it flex. My width is 3 feet and height is 1 feet, and my primary color mode is CMYK. The CMYK is primary color mode in CorelDRAW. Same, the RGB color mode is primary color mode for Adobe softwares. So here I go with 3 feet, height 1 feet. I want to make a flex banner design. Press OK. So here is my workout area. We call this workout area. So here is my workout area. I make a rectangle using rectangle tool, and here is a shape tool. I just right click on the rectangle and convert to curve, and then I just double click to add a node and double click to delete a node, and I make a triangle here and I fill red color and my stroke is none. Now I want to rotate this. I go to object and transformation. So here is transformation, and I want to rotate these objects. So I rotate from this node. So my middle left, I select middle left, and I want to rotate 20 degree, and the copy is 18 copy. 18 means I have one copy, so that's why I add 17 copy, and I press apply. So here is so easy to make a design like this. Then I select all and go to object and group them. Then what I do, I just make another rectangle and I fill red color and double click on it, and I just want to put here dark red, and I select the group one and right click on it, and here is order and front of the page, right? This is easy. And select the group one and double click on the color bucket, and I want to change this to light color, something like that. Yes. Then I make a rectangle here, right? And I put a yellow color here, and a stroke color is none. So I go to shape tool and just right click on the rectangle and convert it into curve, and then I select this node and I go to convert to curve this node. I just select this node and drag to here, and then I curve it. Okay, that's cool. Then I select the rectangle, and this one is my drop shadow, and just drag from here and I apply a shadow here, right? I apply shadow, and if you want to change the color of the shadow, so here is the option. This one is smooth, and this one the color of shadow, and these are the blending modes. After applying shadow, I want to change the angle of my shadow. Change the angle of the shadow like this. I make a rectangle here and just right click on it and change to convert into curve. Then go to shape tool. Then I want to reshape the size and fill the yellow color, and stroke color is none. So here what I do, I just make a ellipse here and select both of them, and I want to crop it. And same here, I just select here and select both of the rectangle and circle and crop it, and select the circle one and delete the line. Then what I do, then I have a pen tool. So I make a node here, then I want to make a node here, then I make a node here. Simple. And I just increase the size of outline. So my outline is here, and change the outline color. Change my outline color to yellow. Okay, I just after making my outline, I just select the outline and go to object and click here to convert outline to object. So after converting object, I just click on the yellow color. Then I go to pen tool once again. Then I want to make another pen and increase the size into 2 point, and same change the go to object and convert to outline and just change the color into yellow. So right, so here is my back design. Then I want to write some text here. So here I click and I change the font face into impact, and I just write down the special offer here and just double click to transform, right? And after that I click here and write down. Now I arrange the text into center paragraph and change the font into impact, and I just increase the size, and I want to leading means space between character. So here in CorelDRAW we apply leading using shape tool. So I go to shape tool, and here is a leading, right? Then I go to pick tool, then I select the whole text and double click on it. So here I want to skew, right? So after that I make another text and click here. I write down this font in Arial and just double click on it, and I want to skew this font. Baggage, I select all the bags and go to object and group them. After that I want to make a star, so I go select the star, and I need 32 stars. I need 40 sides and 5, and press Ctrl. You can make a proportionate size. Then I select here and fill white color in it, and outline is 0. Then I want to apply a drop shadow. So here it go with drop shadow. I just drag this shadow. After applying the drop shadow I go to text tool. So here text tool, I just click it 70%, and I change the color into I change the font face into Roboto black italic. So here is my 70% off. So I just click and change the font face into Roboto black also, and here I just increase the size. I place here, right? So I select all the stars and right click, group them. After that I want to write something here, the header one. So here I want to write, and I just increase and change the font into Roboto Light. Roboto Light is a nice font. End of season, and I want to write cell. And now I want to change the font face of cell. So I change it to the blacklist, and just click on the text tool, and I write down this limited offer. So I select all the text and align them in center. Okay, so then I want to make a triangle using polygon tool. I click on polygon. I want to make a 3 sides. So here and here I put some dark color, and outline is none, and then I rotate this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I just select here and flip them. I mean reflect. You can reflect here. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V, copy paste, and you can reflect this one. So here is my design. If you want to omit the outer, so you just make a rectangle here, right? And I select the rectangle one and the back one, and I intersect this, and I select the outer one and delete this, and I select the black outline and delete this. So look guys, here is our flex banner designing using CorelDRAW. So if you like our design, so please guys like and subscribe our channel. So thank you very much for watching our videos.